What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, and today we're talking about another long-term investment that I just took, and this is in Facebook and or now Meta platforms. This company has been really beaten up, and we're going to go over why I took a position, if I think it's going to continue to fall, which I do think it is, and what my plans are for the next couple of weeks, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Also, check out our Discord. The link is in the description. You guys get access to free courses, live stream seminars, webinars, as well as some free trades, free options, technical analysis bots, so that you can get access to the same exact dark pools, same exact flow, and same exact heat maps that I trade with each and every single day, guys. The link is in the description. We are over 5,700 members strong, and we are continuing to grow. Now, looking at Facebook, this thing has really sold off. From highs of 385 5 months ago, we have sold off 40%. Broke through major support at 251, holding the 200 SMA, but I ultimately think Facebook will drop to $209. And many people might be like, dude, if you think it's going to drop to 209, why not just wait until you enter? We're going to talk about that in a minute. Now, earnings were really bad. Like, I'm not gonna lie, earnings were really bad. Daily active users took a plummet, monthly active users took a plummet, and on top of that too, you can also see that other people are going to different platforms, like Snapchat up massive on their earnings, and their stock price was up massive as well on Thursday and Friday. So looking at Facebook, those earnings were not great. All right, and also average revenue per user dropped significantly as well. Outlook was not that great either, but this is still fundamentally a phenomenal company. And when I look at the next 15 years of what this company can do, it's absolutely insane. And I believe that they have a huge, bright future ahead of them. Whether I am like a supporter of this or not, because I don't really use social media or anything, but it still looks very good. Now, let's talk about the valuation here and some pros and cons for Facebook. And if you guys don't know what Facebook does, we're going to talk about it right now. Meta, I should say. Meta Platforms develops products that enable people to connect and share with friends and family through mobile devices, personal computers, virtual reality headsets, wearables, in-home devices worldwide. It operates in two segments: family of apps and Reality Labs. The family of app segment products include Facebook, which enables people to share, discover, and connect interests with their friends; Instagram, a community for sharing photos, videos, and private messages; Feeds, Reels, videos, lives, and shops; and Messenger, which you guys know is the Messenger app, as well as WhatsApp, which is actually massive. That's one thing that I feel like a lot of people don't realize. WhatsApp is huge, especially in other countries, and it's really good. The Reality Labs segment provides augmented VR related products comprising of hardware, software, and content that helps people feel connected anytime, anywhere. The company was formerly known as Facebook and changed its name to Meta Platforms. Obviously, Oculus is the hardware, but this is really where I see the company going. I think that this is where the company knows that they have to go if they want to continue to grow, is more the metaverse, which we can do an entire video on that, since that's a hot topic right now. Some rewards and risks from Simply Wall Street. So one of the risks: has there been significant insider selling in the past 3 months? Yes, there has. We'll go over that in a minute. The company is profitable. They are forecasted to grow 10% each year over year for the next 3 years. They are debt free. They don't pay a dividend, but who cares? Share price has been stable over the past 3 months. I wouldn't really say it's been stable, but whatever. The company's earnings are high quality, etc. So let's talk about valuation, right? Right now, they say that fair value is 641. I would say fair value at this very moment is probably about 365, but still trading very far below their current fair value. Right now, they are at a 16 PE ratio. I want you to understand that, 16 PE. That is crazy that this company is trading at a 16 price to earnings ratio. So right there, really love this. Really like Facebook here from a price to earnings ratio standpoint. Future growth: company is poised to grow 10% annually for the next 3 years. Nothing massive, but when you have a company this huge, that is not bad at all. When we look at the financial positions for this, you can see assets $66 billion with liabilities at $21 billion on the short term, and long term $99 billion long term in assets versus $19 billion in liabilities. Management is obviously very good. Mark Zuckerberg only gets paid $25 million a year from the company. I didn't realize that. Ownership, and then we can also look at insider selling if you guys want as well. So these are all the insider sells that have been happening here. So you can see right here, we're looking at just September until now. A ton of selling that's been happening, but still nothing that crazy, honestly. Overall, I think that this company has so much upside. It's insane. I think that they are at such a great value right now. Every single time that we have dropped to the 200-day SMA on the weekly chart for Facebook, we have bounced, and I don't think it's going to be any different now. I think overall, Facebook is poised to take a huge move to the upside over the next 3 to 4 months, and I think that this is a great buying opportunity long term. I do think that there is a chance that we could drop to $200, but I do think ultimately I wanted to get in right now with just $10,000 position. And if we end up dropping, it's whatever. But I think as of right now, I'm very happy I took a position, and I think that I will end up grabbing some more down at $200 pretty easily. So I hope this video helps, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you plan to buy. Let me know if you plan to skip, and let me know why. Love to hear from you guys. Thanks for all the support. Have a great day, guys. Peace.